you're a VA or SMM, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use package pricing in your business so that you can offer more value and increase your profits. Hi, I'm Mike, Mr. Process Mahoney. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's really important in our industry, and that's pricing. More specifically, package pricing. By now, you are likely wondering how to use package pricing in your business, right? That's great. We're going to explain all of that to you now. The first thing to consider is a pure price or a mixed price approach. A pure pricing package is when a product is only offered as part of a package. Mixed price packages are when the product is offered both individually and in a package. This is the preferred option when a product or service complements or enhances another, but also has value individually. That is a key. The second thing you need to consider is what type of products or services you want to offer in your package. You can include digital products, physical products, or services. The key here is to make sure that the products and services complement each other and offer a complete solution to the customer's problem. So let's talk about how to price your packages. When you price that package, you need to make sure that the total price is greater than the sum of the individual prices. This ensures that you're making a profit on your packages. You also need to make sure that your prices are competitive. To do this, you're going to have to research what other businesses in your industry are charging for similar products and services. Finally, you need to make sure that your prices are fair. This means that your customers should feel like they're getting a good deal. To do this, you can offer discounts or add extra value to your packages. Now that it is obvious package pricing will help your business, let's see what else you need to be aware of when implementing this pricing strategy. You're going to need to carefully consider how your customers use your services. Are there obvious products or services that together add value to each other? Review the requests you've gotten from clients in the past year and look for patterns where clients made multiple purchases. You also want to consider any new products or services you plan on launching in the next year. How can you package these together to create a complete solution for your customers? Once you have a good understanding of what products and services you want to include in your packages, it's time to start creating them. If you aren't sure how your customers will value your packages, you can begin with simple A/B testing. First, use a short-term promotional period to determine if customers really want to buy services together and at the same time instead of separately or at different times. If your customers show an interest, use A/B testing to determine which services are the most popular and most often purchased together. It will take a little time, but in the end, that time will be well worth it, as you will have dialed in a great deal of packages. So there you have it. Now you know how to use package pricing in your business. Package pricing is a great way for you to increase your profits and offer so much more value to your customers. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. And thanks for watching. If you feel like you got value out of this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when videos like this come out from Top Tier Coaching Services.